Hi guys! Welcome sa ating bagong lesson. Ito ang Hey Jealousy ng Gin Blossoms. Sa lesson na to, matutunan nyo ang chords at saka strumming pattern ng Gin Blossoms. Pero bago tayo simula, kung bago sa channel na to, please pakipindot lang subscribe button, ganun rin yung notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga gagawin ko pang videos na katulad dito. Okay? Simulan na natin. Sa kantang to, dalawang set ng chords lang ang ating pag-aaralan. Yung intro at verse natin ay iisa ang set ng chords at saka ang chorus. So dalawang set lang siya. Pero doon sa first set ng chords natin, may apat na strumming pattern tayong tuturo sa iyo para malaman mo at makapamili ka kung anong iyong gagamitin. Okay? Simulan natin sa intro. First chords natin ay D, down, down, up, up, down. Tapos sa E, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. F sharp minor, gaya rin ng D natin kanina, down, down, up, up, down. Tapos E, gaya rin ng E natin kanina, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. So pag tinugtog mo, balik ito. Yun ang first strumming pattern natin. Yung pangalawa, ito na, pagkakantaan na, ginawa ko, mute lang. Naka-chords pa rin yan, chords natin, pero puro down, naka-mute. Pa-mute. Nakapatong ng bahagya ito sa strings. Okay? Alam nyo na yun. Kasi naka-mute lang at saka chords puro down lang ang kalabit. Okay. Tapos medyo bibilis ng konti. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up. Down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up. Okay? Or pwede nyo gamitin yung intro. Basta nyo na yan kung ano gusto nyo. Yun ang pangatlo nating strumming pattern. May option pa isa, yung huli, pwedeng same chords, plucking naman, finger picking. Isang down, tapos 2, 1, 2, 3. Down, 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 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Tapos, dako na tayo sa chorus. Sa chorus, ito ang ating tipa. A. Simula. Down, down, up, up, down. Tapos D. Up, up, down, up, down, up, down. Bali tuloy-tuloy na ganon. Yung A, ganon ulit. Down, down, up, down. Tapos D ulit. Up, up, down, up, down. Okay, bale, pag pinagsama mo, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Tuloy-tuloy na ganon. Tapos A, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Tapos F sharp minor, at saka E at D, down, down, up, down. Kagaya ng A natin. So, pag pinagsama natin yung chorus, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down. F sharp minor, down, down, up, down, E. So, yun lang po yung mga chords na kailangan natin sa kantang to. Sana po nagustuhan nyo. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Hi guys, hingi lang sana ng konting suporta sa inyo. Kung maaari, pakibisita lang aking playlist dahil may ginawa po ang compilation ng mga artists na mga ginawahan ko ng tutorials, local or international, kagaya ng OPM rock, rock alternatives. Ginawan ko po siya ng compilation, kagaya ng mga artist na ating local na si Bamboo, River Maya, Eraserheads, Parokya ni Edgar, at iba pa. Pag may time po kayo, pakibisita naman. Supportan lang sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.